Kaya may friend nga ako, isang leader.
Oo.
Yung isang leader na to, sabi niya, the true test of leadership is when you ask person, how are you? And when you're just standing there and you patiently wait for the reply. Kasi most of the people will just ask, how are you? And then basically, hindi naman natin concerned ano yung sasagot nila eh.
Correct.
Sabi niya, the true test of leadership is when you ask, how are you? Pero inaantay mo yung sagot ng tao.
Oo.
So, ibig sabihin, ang ganda nun. Ang
Correct.
ganda nun. Kasi all of our members sa atin, sa grupo natin, ang dami nating members ngayon eh, these are all strangers.
Correct.
Ang challenge ng isang leader na pinaka nagustuhan ko, yung tanong mo,
Oo.
is how do I convert them from being a stranger into someone na brother and sister ko na sila in the long run.
Correct.
Di ba? Paano ko sila i-convert? Yan, common value. Love ko yun eh. Na para mo silang binibihisan. It's as if you're a parent raising your children.
Correct.
It's as if you're a person teaching them the required skills, common values, common belief. Ayun, I love that. I love those challenge. At pag dumating yung point na yun, na parang, wow, this is crazy. I was able to transform a person from nowhere,
Oo.
negative mag-isip, hindi align yung mga mindset niya, to the point na nagustuhan niya na yung mga ginagawa niya.
Tama.
Love it. That's, parang feeling ko na masarap.